Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica Dessu. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys our kitchen reno. I'm sharing a little bit of it, guys, just to give you some inspiration and ideas of how we were able to transfer this kitchen for under $5,000. Yes, we bought this property with the intention to sell it, a 2-year flip, live-in flip, or to possibly rent it out depending on the market. But I'm gonna show you guys how we're able to do it for under $5,000. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with a friend, and comment down below which part of the kitchen you guys love the most. Fine. I've always seen people talk about that you can go to a stone yard and ask them if they have any remnants or any extra stone that was left over from a big job that they would like to discount. This one here is a granite. It's really nice. The guy gave me such a great deal. Plus he threw in a undermount sink, which was so nice, for $1,700. Plus the install, which was really great. I'm gonna show you guys some footage of that and I'm coming to install it. Super easy. It took like 4 days to do the measurements, cut out for the sink, come and install it. It was great. And this is something that will definitely increase the value of your property, to have a really nice countertop. And so I'll show you guys the one that we chose. And something else that we did to save money was reusing the cabinets. We went with this really beautiful kind of sage color. I was a little scared of going with such kind of like a bold color in my mind, because when you're selling a property, you really have something that appeals to the masses. So people typically really like a white kitchen, but I decided to go with this really pretty sage color, and I think it turned out great with the flooring and everything like that. We ended up reusing the cabinets that already came with the kitchen because they were real wood. So we decided to just sand it and just spend one weekend on the patio and just, you know, bring it back to life. We took down all the uppers. That's something, the look that I really love. So I took down all the upper cabinets and sold them on Facebook Marketplace. So that gave me a little bit of money to add back into the kitchen. Something that I saw on Pinterest that I absolutely love were these pegs, and they have them all around the kitchen, which is really nice. Since I took down upper cabinets, I decided to go with these shelvings that I got from IKEA, which was very affordable. I have them on both ends of the kitchen. I'll show you the other side as well. But I put my glassware here. On the other side, I have my bowls and all my plates, just to make it very easy and accessible to people who come over. Serve yourself, grab a bowl, because I love cooking and hosting people over. And I have everything, guys, listed down in the description, so definitely check down there for everything that we have. And I'll share with you, if you live here in New Jersey, the place that I got my countertops from. Really nice place, and they are huge. Oh my god, that place was like going to Walmart. It was amazing, all the different stones they had. And I wish one day when I do a property I could really use a granite. The granite colors that they had were so beautiful. I just was in love. But yeah, so guys, this is the design. The kitchen looks like this all the time. So yeah, this is what the countertop looks like. I love just really implementing this kind of like a design element and stuff. Very easy to just grab everything that's out. I love that. I love just really having this type of thing here. I have my wine openers. I thought that was really beautiful. Everybody's talking about how silver is really in. I found these picture frames, guys, from the thrift store. They're real silver, which is really beautiful. I gotta add some pictures in those, but I just keep them right here, which is really nice. All right, guys, I really apologize for the noise outside, but I hope you find this video helpful. And so let's get into some more of the stuff. So I don't know if I mentioned that the cabinet color is from Sherman Williams. I'll have that listed as well for you guys to find it. It's called Mistletoe. So I got these pools here. these are the pulls that I went with. I got them off of Amazon, a 25 pack, which was really affordable. And again, I told you I want to go with like this bronze kind of look. So these are the pulls that I went with. And it was super easy just to replace the pulls. We didn't have to add any holes. I just went with the original kind of like pulls that they already had and just replaced the pulls. And so this is really beautiful. So this right here is from IKEA, guys. And it's like more storage, kind of like pantry area that I'm using it for, and storage for other things. It comes with the drawers. So I use that for like little things like parchment paper and Ziploc bags and things like that. But this is what I use this for, and it's like really easy to like just pull it out. So this is something that I really wanted to implement in the design, and it was again very affordable, easy to build, from IKEA. I have this exact one that I had got listed for you guys. We have a lot more to kind of go. I just wanted to share it with you guys. I'm one of those people, sometimes I don't want to share things because it's not complete, but I'm just trying my best to just stop that and just show the process, because it's got a few more design, it got a few more things I want to add to this kitchen just to complete it. But I'm just sharing it with you and hope you find it inspiring, or you have more ideas for me to elevate it to the next level. I would love to hear your ideas of things that I could add to the kitchen. And then I got these pulls right here, which is so beautiful. Oh my God, from Amazon as well. And I just wanted something different. These are the same pulls here. My husband actually had to add these holes because these drawers did not come with any holes for a pulley. So we added this in, but these pulls here actually came from Amazon. I thought they were so pretty. Oh my God, it just added a little bit of something different and interest to this cabinet. And so I thought that was really beautiful. But guys, I have to add more storage in this kitchen since I did take off the upper cabinets and stuff. And so I'm implement that on like the other side. But I just think everything turned out so beautiful. It's always great to stay within a budget, have an idea. And if you go over a little bit, it's okay, but try your best to stay within that budget, and really just know that everybody does not have an eye for high-end fixtures. If you're buying a property and you have a budget to resale, don't be so, overwhelmed, and don't be so stuck on that you have to have such high-end fixtures in the house, because people always want to personalize the kitchen themselves. And so we want to stick to a budget that will create some interest and what people will love, but have room to grow. So that was like the idea, but I love it personally myself, and that's why I'm sharing it with you guys. But I will have everything listed down below. All right guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you loved it, because I'm so in love with this kitchen. Share it with a friend, give it a thumbs up, guys. If you'd love to see more videos like this from me on this channel, definitely subscribe. Comment down below which part of the kitchen you love the most. Until next time guys, have a great day.